Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix the beginning balance of the QuickBooks. Now to fix the beginning balance of the QuickBook, you have to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you have not installed the QuickBook app, make sure to install the QuickBook app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now fixing the beginning balance in the QuickBook is crucial for accurate accounting, especially when you are reconciling your account. Now to fix the balance, make sure to check the account for the beginning balance. Now you need to open the QuickBook and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after that you need to go on the chart of accounts in QuickBook and you need to find the account with the incorrect beginning balance like the bank, credit or loan section, and you need to click on the option of account and review the transaction for any discrepancies or errors. So after that you need to go on the banking or transaction section and you need to click on the option of reconcile. Now you need to choose the account you want to reconcile, and after the ending balance from your account statement or the financial documents, and make sure that all the transactions like deposit and withdrawal match your bank statement, and if there are any incorrect or missing statement then you have to edit them accordingly. And from there you need to simply review the opening balance and manually adjust the beginning balance. So if the balance is still incorrect after reviewing, you can adjust it by creating a journal entry. So you need to click on the option of plus or new and you need to select the journal entry and you need to choose the account and enter the correct beginning balance by debiting or crediting the appropriate account. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the beginning balance on the QuickBooks. Thank you.